Welcome back to Skill Double, your go-to channel for mastering new skills. In today's video, we're diving into the world of resume creation. Have you ever wondered how to craft a stunning and professional-looking resume without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating an impressive resume using NovoResume.com. I am going to take you all through a step-by-step guide on creating an impressive resume using NovoResume.com. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Registration. Once you're on the website, click on the Register button. Complete the registration process with your name and email ID. Step 2. Template selection. After logging in, click on Resume. You'll find an array of templates, both free and premium. Choose a free template that suits your style. Step 3. Customization. Upon selecting your template, you'll be taken to the editor page. Here, you can personalize your resume with colors and fonts that match your preferences. Step 4. Adding details. Now, begin by adding your essential details: name, phone number, address, and a professional profile picture. Step 5. Work experience. Include your work experience. You can add as many entries as needed. Highlight your roles, responsibilities, and achievements. Step 6. Educational background. Moving forward, input your educational details. Don't forget to showcase any noteworthy accomplishments, like awards or pivotal projects. Step 7. Skills. Next, list your skills to emphasize your strengths. This section allows you to present your abilities prominently. Step 8. Proofreading. Once you've entered all your information, take a moment for a thorough proofread. Ensure everything is accurate and well organized. Step 9. Exporting. If everything looks perfect, export your resume in PDF format for free. This is your final product, ready to impress. Step 10. Sharing. Now you can print your resume or share it via email. It's your key to unlocking new opportunities. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, share it with friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, take care and goodbye.